अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। फ्रेंड्स, हम आपके लिए जितने भी गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं लाइक पीपीएससी, एफपीएससी, पीएमएस, एनटीएस और इससे रिलेटेड जितने भी एग्ज़ाम्स हैं उनकी प्रिपरेशन के लिए एक सीरीज़ यूट्यूब पर ला रहे हैं। व्यूअर्स, अब जिस तरह एक टेस्ट में मल्टीपल सब्जेक्ट्स इंक्लूड होते हैं लाइक इंग्लिश, मैथ, कंप्यूटर साइंस, उर्दू, इस्लामियात, डेली साइंसेस, तो हम हर सब्जेक्ट पर एक अलग प्लेलिस्ट बना रहे हैं जिसमें हम पास पेपर से रिसर्च करके मोस्ट रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज के हम डिफरेंट ट्यूटोरियल्स बनाएंगे। तो अगर तो आपने गवर्नमेंट सर्विस की किसी भी एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी करनी है तो ये आपके लिए एक बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है। इसको अवेल करें और मज़ीद आपका टाइम ज़ाया किए बगैर चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ।
Question number 1. Bali is an Indonesian island. Which is an island? A. Muslim. B. Jewish. C. Buddhist. D. Hindu. Question number 2. Who is the longest serving ruler of Indonesia? A. General Suharto. B. Joko Widodo. C. Sukarno. D. None of these. Question number 3. All of the following countries are the members of TAPI, gas pipeline project except A. Pakistan. B. Afghanistan. C. Tajikistan. D. India. Question number 4. International Nurses Day is observed on A. May 12th. B. April 12th. C. March 12th. D. February 12th. Question number 5. Europe Day is celebrated every year on A. May 8th. B. May 9th. C. May 10th. D. May 12th. Question number 6. What is the main concern mentioned by the Reporters Without Borders? RSF, Report 2023 about the regulator Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority, PEMRA. A lack of regulation in the media sector. B. Excessive control over journalism. C. Inefficient handling of corruption cases. D. Dependence on state sector ads. Question number 7. TAPI gas pipeline project is a natural gas pipeline being developed by the Gakinish TAPI Pipeline Company Limited with participation of the A. IMF. B. World Bank. C. Asian Development Bank, ADB. D. None of these. Question number 8. Originally, the total number of countries included in TAPI gas pipeline project are A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. None of these. Question number 9. May is observed internationally as A. 2. Labor Day. B. Environment Day. C. Press Freedom Day. D. Earth Day. Question number 10. The first case of monkeypox in humans was recorded in which country? A. Kenya. B. Nigeria. C. Democratic Republic of Congo. D. India. Question number 11. Ease of Doing Business report published by A. World Economic Forum. B. World Trade Organization. C. IMF. D. World Bank. Question number 12. Which is the only majority Muslim member of the NATO alliance? A. Macedonia. B. Turkey. C. Albania. D. Spain. Question number 13. The master plan of Islamabad was prepared by A. S. B. Zisman. B. C. Doxiadis. C. Patrick Geddes. D. Ebenezer Howard. Question number 14. The Silk Roads, A New History of the World is written by A. Xi Jinping. B. Joe Biden. C. Peter Frankopan. D. David Ricardo. Question number 15. On which date Pakistan women's football team registered first ever win in AFC Olympics qualifier? A. April 1st, 2023. B. April 6th, 2023. C. April 11th, 2023. D. April 4th, 2023. Question number 16. What is the name of world largest artificial forest? A. Alkire. B. Changamanga. C. Living Forest. D. Saihanba National Forest Park, China. Question number 17. The theme for International Day of Sports for Development and Peace 2023 is A. Give your best. B. Sports open for all. C. Scoring for people and the planet. D. Saihanba National Forest Park, China. Question number 18. International Conscience Day is celebrated on A. May 14th. B. August 4th. C. April 5th. D. July 15th. Question number 19. How many countries are the members of NATO? A. 31. B. 28. C. 27. D. 29. Question number 20. International Day for Mine Awareness is observed on A. April 4th. B. May 15th. C. March 21st. D. June 4th. Question number 21. The Wailing Wall is situated in underscore 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 A. Jerusalem. B. India. C. Tajikistan. D. Syria. Question number 22. How to avoid climate disaster is written by underscore 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 A. Elon Musk. B. Bill Gates. C. Dewey. D. Shahid Khan. Question number 23. Pakistan Beyond the Crisis State is written by A. Z. Bhutto. B. Aitzaz Ahsan. C. Malihalodi. D. William Dalrymple. Question number 24. Prime meridian does not pass from A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Europe. D. Antarctica. Question number 25. The Treaty of Portsmouth was signed between Russia and Japan in A. September 5, 1904. B. September 4, 1905. C. September 5, 1906. D. September 5, 1905. Question number 26. Myanmar is a country? A. Southeast Asian. B. South Asian. C. for Asian. D. Middle East Asian. Question number 27. Tha Mamluk dynasty ruled from 1206 to 1290 was founded by A. Isra Khan. B. Jalal-ud-Din Pharaohs. C. Ghayath-ul-Din. D. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Question number 28. International Criminal Court was step up in A. 2001. B. 2002. C. 2003. D. 2004. Question number 29. World Rainforest Day is observed every year on A. August 20th. B. May 15th. C. June 22nd. D. None of these. Question number 30. How many countries does the prime meridian pass through? A. 8. B. 7. C. 6. D. 4. Question number 31. International Women's Day is celebrated each year on A. March 12th. B. March 16th. C. March 8th. D. March 6th. Question number 32. Where is the bronze statue of Columbo and Dog located? A. London, UK. B. New York, US. C. Paris, France. D. Budapest, Hungary. Question number 33. In which game does the Spanish opening take place? A. Chess. B. Curling. C. Baseball. D. Golf. Question number 34. Sumo is considered the national sport of which country? A. China. B. Japan. C. South Korea. D. North Korea. Question number 35. What is the snowman's nose made out of? Traditionally made out of? A. Potato. B. Tomato. C. Carrot. D. Orange. Question number 36. Which kind of race is the annual Giro d'Italia? A. Swimming. B. Skiing. C. Rock climbing. D. Cycling. Question number 37. Gulab jamun is a popular dessert of which cuisine? A. Indian. B. Austrian. C. German. D. Italian. Question number 38. The guitar is a fretted musical instrument that usually has strings. A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Question number 38. The guitar is a fretted musical instrument that usually has _______ strings. A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Question number 39. Beg is a type of which sport popular among Turkish people? A. Volleyball. B. Cycling. C. Martial art. D. Horse racing. Question number 41. Which singer made the moonwalk dance famous? A. James Brown. B. Elvis Presley. C. Michael Jackson. D. Justin Bieber. Question number 42. What should a Javanese couple do in order to get married? A. Plant 5 trees. B. Free 5 birds. C. Free 5 animals. D. Visit 5 countries. Question number 43. Formosa is the old name of A. Mongolia. B. Thailand. C. Japan. D. Taiwan. Question number 44. Which of the following countries are in conflict with India on water sharing issue? A. Pakistan. B. Bangladesh. C. Nepal. D. All of them. Question number 45. Zia Moyedin in English movies Immaculate Conception played the role of A. Beggar. B. Clown. C. Transgender. D. Transgender. Question number 46. Which country features a shipwreck on its national flag? A. Bermuda. B. Denmark. C. Russia. D. China. Question number 47. Durand Line was demarcated in which year? A. 1891. B. 1893. C. 1895. D. 1897. Question number 48. Tir Lake, also known as Ansu Lake, is located in which valley of Pakistan? A. Gilgit Valley. B. Kailash Valley. C. Kaugan Valley. D. Neelam Valley. Question number 49. Siam Center is in A. Istanbul. B. Rom. C. Bangkok. D. New York. Question number 50. Siam Center is in A. Istanbul, B. Rom, C. Bangkok, D. New York.
तो व्यूअर्स, आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कर दें ताकि हमारी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचे। और अगर आपके पास कोई सजेशन है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर दें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।